Hello, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, and you?
I am well. We are right online. Starting off Ariata and Brunt,
Sure.
just like my list is. So,
Sure.
did we are we going to be able to get the interpreters?
Yes. Yes.
Cool. So we're going to go one with an interpreter, the number two guy here because they're in the same
Uh-huh.
pod without the interpreter, and then the third guy, Alvarez, number three, he'll need the interpreter. So I think I put that on my list
Yes, we
the way I
did.
sent it. Okay.
Okay.
All right, we're all good. I'll be back soon.
Okay, thank you.
You bet.
Bye.
which isn't exactly
Good afternoon.
Hi, Judge. Hi, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Judge.
All
Judge,
right,
we are,
ready when you are.
yes, ma'am. We have our first, Arietta does need the Spanish speaker. He is right here.
All right. Lorena, what's his first name?
First name is Jonathan.
Okay.
Yes, hola.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court.
Hola, yo soy la jueza Whitman, trabajo para el Tribunal de Kansas City, Kansas, Tribunal Municipal.
You have an unresolved matter here. It's a charge of trespassing.
Tiene usted una causa sin resolución. Aquí es un cargo de intrusión ilegal.
It looks like you received the ticket May 30th of this year.
Parece que le dieron la infracción el 30 de mayo de este año.
What I've done is you have an absolute right to a trial in this matter.
Lo que he hecho yo es que usted tiene derecho absoluto de someterse a juicio en esta causa.
But I'd also like you to visit with the prosecutor in this case to determine whether or not you wish to take it to trial or take the plea that they have to offer.
Pero también quiero que usted platique con el fiscal, en este caso, para decidir si es que quiere someterse a juicio o quiere aceptar un convenio y declararse culpable a cambio.
So if you would tell the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room.
Así que si le puede indicar al señor que le entregó esos auriculares que lo conecte con el otro cuarto,
you'll be able to talk to the prosecutor in private.
para poder comunicarse con el fiscal en privado.
And interpreter, you'll have to go to the breakout also. Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Rankin?
Judge, I think we do have a resolution on this matter.
Su señoría, sí creo que tenemos una resolución en esta causa.
I believe Mr. Arrieta is willing to plead guilty to the charge of trespassing.
Creo que el señor Arrieta está dispuesto a declararse culpable del cargo de intrusión ilegal.
And the city would recommend a 10-day jail sentence, but ask that he get credit for time served and no fines or costs.
Y la fiscalía va a recomendar una condena de 10 días en la cárcel con crédito por el tiempo que ya cumplió y que no se le imponga una multa o cosas judiciales.
Is that your understanding, sir?
Señor, ¿eso es lo que tiene entendido usted?
Sí, 10 días contando los días pasados, ¿no? Sería.
Yes, 10 days, but counting the days that I've already been here, right?
Correct.
Correcto.
So to take your plea, I just want to make sure you want to give up your right to a trial.
Bueno, para poder aceptar su declaración de culpabilidad, necesito asegurarme de que usted está dispuesto a rechazar su derecho a someterse a juicio.
By entering the plea, you're giving up your right to a trial. Is that how you want to proceed today?
Al declararse culpable, renuncia el derecho a someterse a juicio. ¿Eso es lo que quiere hacer aquí hoy?
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
All right. So to the charge of trespass, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Entonces, ¿cómo se declara del cargo de intrusión ilegal? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
Culpable.
Guilty.
I will accept your plea and adopt the recommendation of the prosecutor.
Entonces, acepto su declaración y voy a aceptar la recomendación del fiscal.
You'll receive credit for the 10 days, and this case will be closed.
Se le da crédito por los 10 días que ya cumplió y entonces se le cierra su caso.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Did you have any questions?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta?
No.
No.
That'll conclude the hearing.
Eso concluye esta audiencia.
You can give your headphones back.
Okay, thank you.
Regrésele al señor. Thank you.
Judge, we do need the interpreter in our third person. I think if you have my schedule.
Yeah.
Brunt here does not need it, and then I need to go to that next interpreter. So,
All righty. Sounds good. If you can
Mr.
hold
Brunt's
tight,
here. Yeah.
interpreter. Yeah. Thank you. Hello, Mr. Brunt. I am Judge Whitman with Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. A one charge of driving while suspended. Looks like you received the ticket February 13th. Last time we talked on Zoom, I gave you an OR bond to appear for today, and you're still in custody. How do you want to proceed today? Did you want it set for trial? Did you want to talk to the prosecutor about some kind of resolution?
Yes, talk to the prosecutor for a resolution.
All right. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones, put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to talk to the prosecutor in private.
Or just
Yeah, I got it. Leave
Okay.
there. Yes, ma'am. We do a little lip reading to get all this done. You will
Mr. Rankin?
Your Honor, I think we do have a resolution.
All right, go ahead.
I believe Mr. Brunt is willing to plead guilty to the driving with suspended license charge, and the city would recommend a 10-day jail sentence, but has to get credit for time served, no fines or costs. I believe he's been in for nearly 2 months now.
All right. Mr. Brunt, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand by entering the plea, you're giving up your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And is that how you want to proceed with the plea as opposed to the trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So to the charge of driving, I will also tell you that by pleading to drive, it's going to mess up your license even more. I know it's suspended now, but it'll be suspended even more because of this plea. You still want to go take the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So to the charge of driving while suspended, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. I'll accept your plea and I will adopt what the prosecutor has suggested. You will get credit for those 10 days in jail. There will be no fines or cost, and this case will be closed.
Thank you.
All right. Did you have any other questions?
How long will my suspension last? Do you have just guessing?
Usually it's well, you're suspended for some reason.
Okay.
But now, because of the plea, it'll be what, even if you won $1 million and you paid off all your fines and costs, got everything square, it'd probably be another 90 days that you would be suspended.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, I
Even if
understand.
you could get everything fixed today, it would be
Okay.
what's called a hard suspension.
Okay.
Okay.
I understand.
All right. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
All right. You have a good day.
Okay, you too.
All right.
Okay, Judge, I'll be back in a few minutes. We will need the interpreter for Alvarez.
All right. Sounds good.
You bet. Okay, Judge, we're back. Mr. Alvarez.
Thank you. You ready, interpreter?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Good afternoon. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court.
Buenas tardes, yo soy la jueza Whitman con el Tribunal Municipal de Kansas City, Kansas.
You have 3 charges that are unresolved here.
Usted tiene 3 cargos que no han solucionado aquí.
They are possession of drug paraphernalia. Looks like you received that ticket October 17th of 2025.
Uno de ellos es estar en posesión de objetos para endrogarse. Parece que le dieron esa ticket el 17 de octubre de 2025.
You have a trespassing charge. It looks like you received that ticket August 5th of 2025.
Le dieron un ticket por intrusión ilegal y ese se lo dieron el 5 de agosto de 2025.
And the last charge is failure to appear. You received that charge September 21st, 2025.
Y el último cargo es por fallar de comparecerse. Ese fue del 21 de septiembre de 2025. Yes.
Now, you have the opportunity to set those for trial if you wish. You have an absolute right to a trial.
Ahora, usted tiene la oportunidad de fijar esos para un juicio. Tiene ese derecho absoluto de someterse a juicio.
However, what I'd like you to do is speak to the prosecutor about a plea offer so you can decide what you want.
Sin embargo, me gustaría que platique con el fiscal para ver si pueden llegar a un acuerdo para que se declare, para ver si eso es lo que quiere hacer.
Sí, de la manera que me puedan ayudar, yo estoy de acuerdo.
Yes, I agree. Whatever you can do to help me.
All right. So if you would ask the gentleman to get, that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to the prosecutor in private.
Bueno, va a poder hablar en privado. Okay. And Judge, I'm not seeing the breakout room, but pop up.
It may show up.
Okay.
Miss Lorena?
You're already in there. You just have to move back to the breakout room. You have the option. Or let me move you. Okay, I'm gonna move.
Yeah.
Let me move you back to courtroom 2 and then I just wait, okay? I
Okay,
have to move
thank you.
out. 2 and then I
There
move
it
you.
is. Okay.
Hold on, no.
Oh, not that one.
Hold on. Okay, there.
Breakout room. Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Mr. Rankin?
Rankin? Sí.
Have a resolution here? Oh, I'm sorry.
Perdón, su señoría, hemos llegado a una resolución.
I believe Mr. Alvarez is willing to plead guilty to the trespassing charge. The city would recommend a fine of $150 and we would dismiss the other two charges.
Su señoría, creo que el señor Álvarez está dispuesto a declararse culpable del cargo de intrusión ilegal y luego nosotros le retiraríamos los otros dos cargos con una multa impuesta.
Did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
¿Entendió lo que acaba de decir el fiscal, señor?
Sí,
Yes.
That is my understanding you're willing to plead to the trespass and the other two charges would be dismissed.
Lo que tengo entendido es que usted está dispuesto a declararse culpable del cargo de intrusión ilegal y luego se le van a retirar los otros dos cargos.
sí,
Yes.
Do you understand, though, that by entering the plea, you're giving up your right to that trial?
Entiende que al presentar una declaración de culpabilidad, usted está renunciando a someterse a juicio.
sí,
Yes.
And is that how you want to proceed today?
¿Eso es lo que quiere hacer aquí hoy?
sí.
Yes.
To the charge of trespass, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Entonces, ¿cómo se declara del cargo de intrusión ilegal? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
Culpable.
Guilty.
I will accept your plea. The other two charges will be dismissed.
Le acepto su declaración y le vamos a desestimar los otros dos cargos.
Thank you.
I will
Gracias.
assess the $150 fine, and we just need to figure out when you can pay.
Le voy a imponer esa multa de $150 y ahora tenemos que averiguar cuándo es que va a poder pagar.
Tan pronto yo salga de aquí, lo primero que voy a hacer es eso.
As soon as I get out of here, that's the first thing I'm going to do.
All right. Well, I will continue this matter to September 4th at 1 o'clock for payment.
Bueno, yo le voy a aplazar su causa hasta el 4 de septiembre a la 1 de la tarde para ese pago.
Eso es de la corte de aquí menor, ¿verdad? Municipal.
I'm sorry, the court here, the municipal court here?
Yes, we are across the street at City Hall.
Ah,
Sí, estamos frente allí del ayuntamiento.
está bien.
Okay.
You can pay online or you can come to the court here on the second floor and pay.
Usted puede pagar en línea o presentarse aquí mismo en el segundo piso para hacer ese pago.
Bien.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta?
No. Todo
No.
bien.
That'll
Okay.
conclude the hearing. Thank you so much.
Eso concluye la audiencia. Muchísimas gracias.
Gracias. Que tengan buenas tardes. Dios la bendiga mucho.
Thank you. God bless you and have a great afternoon.
You too.
A usted. Igualmente.
Bien.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, thank you.
Just checking we're all done there, Judge.
Yes.
All right, and no more interpreter after that. Our next three are sitting here. They're all in the same pod, so we'll get those knocked out. Charles Guy is here, ready to go.
All right.
Yep, here he is.
Hello?
Mr. Guy, I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved traffic matters here.
Yeah.
You have, let's see, no insurance, 2 charges of seat belt, driving while suspended, exceeding the speed limit, and that's it. You do have an interference with a law enforcement officer. Are you seeking jail time for that, Mr. Rankin?
The city is, Judge.
All right, because I was looking. Let me see. Yeah. So for the charges that are for August 17th, you can't do anything with. But all the others are up for grabs. All right.
What does that mean?
Well, he is seeking jail time for the interference with a law enforcement officer. You receive that ticket along with a driving while suspended and a no registration ticket. So those, since he's seeking jail time, we need to deal with whether or not to get you a lawyer or not and that kind of thing. The other charges, however, are all traffic. They don't require jail time. And so therefore, we can set those for trial, or you can talk to the prosecutor about some kind of plea arrangement. That way you can know your options for those. The ones that I read out are the ones that you can talk to the prosecutor about. That is the speeding ticket, one of the driving while suspendeds, 2 seatbelt tickets, and the no insurance. All right.
Okay. All
Okay.
right.
All right. So if you would ask the gentleman to put you in a breakout room, you can talk to the prosecutor about those charges and a possible plea.
I could do that today
Yes.
because
Ask the gentleman. Yeah.
I know about the Olathe one. I think they told me I went there and I tried to pay it. She said it wasn't suspended. I just had to go get my license for that one.
Mhm.
And the one that you just said about the jail time thing, I didn't even know about that. I've been trying to
Yeah.
get my
Well,
EIN and stuff.
we're not going to talk, we're not dealing with
Okay.
that one today. We're dealing with, and these tickets that you received, the speeding, the driving while suspended, the seatbelt, they all happened back, the tickets were received October 28th of 2022.
Oh, that's why I didn't
Okay,
okay.
yeah. And the other charges that we'll deal with the lawyer is 2023.
Okay.
Okay,
Do I
so,
still can I still
so
get a bond on those though?
yeah, well,
Okay.
hang on. Let's talk first about just
Okay.
the traffic matters that occurred back in 2022. Ask the
Okay.
gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout so you can talk to the prosecutor in private.
I need a breakout room.
Yes, ma'am. Good shape. Stand by right there. As the judge said, I'm going to put you in what we call a breakout room.
Go ahead, Mr. Rankin.
Your Honor, we spoke a little bit about a plea on the traffic matters.
Mhm.
I think we both kind of agreed that for convenience sake, it might be helpful to keep them together on the same time. I think Mr. Guy might be wanting to request an OR bond, and the city doesn't have an objection to an OR bond. It sounds like he's making a lot of progress to sort these matters out now.
All right. Well, I understand, Mr. Guy. I also note it looks like you got a new charge that kind of got you in there, a disorderly
Yeah.
conduct. So that'll be in amongst these charges also at some point. If I let you out on OR, I see you have holds from Johnson and Olathe. Have they given you OR bonds, or are they going to come get you? Do you know?
They have, but
Mhm.
that was one when it was higher than that. But I've been paying on stuff and working on it. But
Gotcha.
that's why it's so long because I've been catching a bus, and I can't like kind of make like trying to pay stuff and catch the bus from Johnson County to Missouri is so I've been trying to catch it and move kind of forward and forward. So like it kind of took so long. Why it's been so long is because I haven't bought a car because I don't want to get no more charges.
Right. Right.
So
Well,
I'm trying to figure out a way to
yeah,
do it like in a positive way, but not without making excuses. But it's just difficult right now.
yeah,
But
yeah.
I do have
Well,
the one in Johnson County. I talked to my bondsman. He is gonna come get me. I just got to get this cleared. And then I
yeah.
talked to him and he said he'll meet me so I can kind of get a payment plan or schedule. I work better with a schedule and a plan.
I
So
gotcha.
that way I can kind of get
Yeah, I just wanted to put this on your radar. I mean, these are old tickets that
yeah.
we're gonna just get. I always say the court never forgets,
Oh, I know. Oh,
you
I
know,
know.
and that's why you get warrants and this type of thing. So I will OR you out with the
Okay.
condition that you don't drive unless you're properly licensed and
Oh no,
insured.
I'm not gonna drive.
And we'll set your case. I just don't want to set something and then you're just in jail somewhere. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh no.
But I'll go to August 18th. That's a Tuesday.
Can I get that written down?
Yeah, we're gonna send paperwork over.
Okay.
We'll
Yeah.
send you paper,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh,
August 18th at 1 o'clock. And that's here in City Hall in Kansas City, Kansas, on the second floor. Okay?
I know what that is.
Yeah, if you just make it here, just ask anybody, they'll get you up here to where you need to be. All
Okay.
right.
Okay.
So that we will OR you out August 18th, 1 o'clock.
Okay.
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 And if you don't have any other questions, that'll conclude the hearing.
Um, how do I get in contact with him?
Mr. Rankin?
Yeah. Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
well, when you come back to court, he probably will be in court.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It's been
All
so
right.
long. Like okay. Okay, cool.
Yeah. All right. If that's it, you can give the headphones back to the jailer there.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yep.
And next will be Mr. Akins.
All right. Hello, Mr. Akins. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. They are no driver's license, no registration, no insurance, and another no driver's license. This is more than one car stop. All of these happened in 2025. The oldest is July 14th of 2025. So we're coming up on 1 year. You have an absolute right to a trial in these matters. But what I'd like for you to do is visit with the prosecutor concerning a plea offer, and then you can weigh your options whether you would like it set for trial or take the plea that he's offering. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to
Breakout
speak
room.
to the prosecutor in private.
Yes, ma'am. So as the judge said,
Mr. Rankin?
I think we do have a resolution.
All right.
I believe Mr. Akins is willing to plead guilty to the no insurance charge. In exchange, the city would dismiss the other 4 charges, and we would recommend a fine of $323.50.
Did you understand what the prosecutor just said? All right. Did you understand by entering these pleas, you're giving up your right to that trial? Is that how you want to proceed? All right. To the charge of no insurance, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Yeah.
I will accept your plea. The other charges will be dismissed. And I will assess that $323.50 in fines and state fee. Do you have any idea when you could pay that? We're having trouble, Mr. Doyle, we're having trouble dealing with this. Could you tell the jailer I can't hear you? Try to say something now.
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Yes, I can now.
Okay.
So when can you pay the $323.50?
Hopefully, Your Honor, the court will work with me in payments. I get paid every week. I can pay
Okay.
approximately $50 to $25 a week.
Okay. What I'll do is I'll go for payment. I'll go to September 4th at 1 o'clock. So that's many payments. Many paychecks that you'll get. That's a number of weeks. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Now, there is another matter. You have also 2 counts of domestic battery, and you have lawyer appointed for you on those matters. It looks like that you had an appointment to visit with your lawyers on April 30th. Were you able to make that appointment?
No, Your Honor. I was incarcerated, Your Honor.
Okay, gotcha. All right, so what I'm going to do, because you still have those lawyers, the problem is I need you got to come to court.
I will, Your Honor.
Because otherwise you're just going to be sitting in the jail and I'll have to transport you over here. I won't let you out next time.
I appreciate you, Your Honor. I sure will be there, Your Honor.
All right. I will OR you out, but there are conditions that you have no violent contact with Mertez Hullaby. Who is she to you?
That's my stepfather, Your Honor.
Stepfather, all right. And a Mark Akins, who's that?
That's my brother, Your Honor.
All right. So those 2 people, you can have contact with them. You just can't have violent contact with them. Do you understand?
Thank you, Your Honor, because we've been getting pretty close here lately.
Yeah, well, that's good. I want you to have contact. I just don't want violent contact.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. So I'm going to continue this for a court appearance for you to come to court. And I'm going to make it because this is the only hold you have, isn't it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah. So I'm going to make it for July 24th, which is a Friday at which would be better for you, 8:30 or 1?
8:30, Your Honor.
All right. So July 24th at 8:30, and we'll send over paperwork. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
So that's written down for you. But I need to see you in court, man. We got to take these matters. All right?
I agree with you, Your Honor. I'll be there.
I always say the court never forgets. You might, but we know. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, we'll see you back here July 24th. Your lawyers will be here, and then we'll figure out how we're going to proceed. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. You have a good day.
Yeah.
And last here in this pod will be Stallings. He's last on purpose, and the deputy's gone to get him. So give us just a moment, please.
Sure.
Judge,
Yes.
on Akins, I think he said July 24 at 8:30. And you put in 1 o'clock. What do you want me to do?
Oh, 8:30. Give him what he wanted. Yeah. Sorry. Lorena, do I see that right? Judge Schultz has there's a bond, $2,000. That can't be right. Is that right?
For
Mr. Stallings, the guy we're gonna see.
Yeah.
let me check.
Interrupting Judge, Mr. Stallings is here whenever you're ready.
All right, thank you.
You bet.
Hello, Mr. Stallings. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have an unresolved matter here. Trespassing charge. It looks like you received the ticket August 18th of 2025. I wish you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial in that matter. If you want it set for trial, we can. But what I'd also like for you to do is visit with the prosecutor concerning a plea offer, and then you can kind of weigh your options of whether you'd like a trial or take the plea.
Oh, okay.
So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to talk to the prosecutor in private.
Okay.
I got it. No, leave them on.
Oh, all right.
I'll do it on my end.
Computer,
Do a little
technology.
Yeah, Miss Lorena, what,
He has a no bond hold.
a no bond hold. Gotcha.
Mhm.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Oh, no bond hold is from the county. From us, it's 2,000
that's
because
1,000?
2,000.
That's what I thought that said, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okie dokie.
Yeah, she has notes
Yeah,
and
I s-
marks. Uh-huh. I guess someone wanna keep him in jail.
well, I think what happened was this thing was set for trial.
Oh, that's
And
why.
he didn't appear for the trial.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so. We just have one more, oh, two more after this, right?
Yes, uh-huh.
Okay.
Uh,
Let the
all right.
judge start. Do you have any
All right,
questions?
Mr. Rankin?
Judge, I think we do have a resolution.
All right,
I believe Mr. Stallings is willing to plead guilty to that trespassing charge. The city would recommend a fine of $150 and no jail time.
all right. Mr. Stallings, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am, I
That,
did.
that you are wanting to enter a plea and give up your right to a trial. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Because I noticed it was set for trial a long time back, but you didn't appear.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I wasn't.
I don't need to know why, just that you didn't, and that's why you're in jail now.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. So by entering the plea, you're giving up that right to a trial that you wanted. Is that how you want to proceed?
Yes.
All right. So to the charge of trespassing, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
I plead guilty.
All right.
Yes.
All right. I will accept the recommendation of the prosecutor for that $150. When do you think you could get it paid?
Today, when y'all release me out of today, when y'all release me out of here, I can get that paid today because I got half the money. I got half the money since I got paid yesterday.
Okay.
I got paid yesterday at my job, so
All right. Well, this is what I'm
I
going to
got
do.
I got a little bit of that cash waiting for you if you release me today.
Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna release you today. And I'm gonna give you a payment date. I'll give you that payment date. I can go to the end of the week. How about that?
The end
You
of
can
this week?
promote. Yeah, I'll go to July 10th. Will that work for you?
Yeah, that's cool because that's when I'm gonna get it back enrolled in school. So I got one more day. So yeah, that'd be straight.
Yeah, all right. Okay, so you'll get out today. You can
Yeah.
just walk right over to City Hall on the second floor and pay it if you want.
Where's the city hall at?
It's
Left.
right across from the jail where you're at right now.
Where am I at?
You are in Wyandotte County in the jail
Wyandotte County.
at the courthouse. Okay.
Courthouse?
Yes.
All right.
All right. Okay. All right. So if you don't have any other questions, that'll conclude the hearing.
All right. Yeah.
All
He's
right.
done. She's
Okay.
done.
Thank you.
No, she said you're done. You're not late and you've got a parole violation hold. You're not late for that. No, you're not. I know that for a fact. Okay, we're done there, Judge?
Yes.
Okay, new pod, new floor, Adrian Smith. I'll be back.
All right.
Yeah, pardon me, Judge, Mr. Smith is ready.
All right, thank you. Hello, Mr. Smith. I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City
Hello, Your Honor.
Municipal Court. I'm doing all right. You have an unresolved matter here. It looks like you received a ticket April 25th of 2026 for failing to yield to an emergency vehicle. You have an absolute right to a trial in this matter. But what I'd like for you to do is visit with the prosecutor about a possible plea offer, and then you can weigh whether you want to take the plea or you want to set it for trial. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to the prosecutor in private about the ticket.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's the judge.
Yes, Mr. Rankin?
Judge, I think we do have a resolution.
Okay.
My understanding that Mr. Smith is willing to plead guilty to that, failing to yield to an emergency vehicle. The city would recommend a 5-day jail sentence, but asks that he get credit for time served. He's been in there since late June, and no fines or costs.
Mr. Smith, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, ma'am.
That you're wanting to waive your right to that trial and plead to the charge of failing to yield.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. To the charge of failing to yield to an emergency vehicle, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I'll accept your plea. I will agree to the recommendation of the prosecutor, 5 days jail with no fines. You will get credit for that time that you've served because you have been in. And that then this case is closed and you have no other matters before the municipal court. All right.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You have a great day and good luck in your other matters.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rankin.
All right, next down to the ladies' pod, Ms. Hall, Brianna Hall. I'll be back.
All right. Thank you. Hey, Mr. Rankin, that Brenna Hall, it's one of the charges that is in warrant status.
Oh,
That is her too. Lorena, if you could withdraw that warrant. I know that Amanda was sending down a
yeah.
thing to change that.
MTA, but I never got it.
Yeah,
Let me
well,
let me check.
Yeah, but we need to recall the warrant so he could include it in some kind of, now that the one, the Brienne, I don't care about, it's a parking ticket. The other one is a trespass.
Yeah.
And that is her. So
Okay.
she was sending down to change the name and the date of birth.
Okay. Let me check.
And that's the trespassing charge, right?
Yes.
That's okay.
Right. Yeah, I wanted to make sure we got everything, so.
I will.
And I had canceled the warrant, but I put it back again.
Yeah, well, yeah,
because,
cancel it because it is her.
okay. It did the MTA. Yeah, I don't have the MTA yet.
Yeah, well, I'm looking for her email. Cause I did that early this morning, cause
And the reason that I removed that I put the warrant back again is because the address is from Missouri.
I understand
then,
it is her. I'm asking
Okay.
you to withdraw.
I
the
did, Judge.
Okay, good. Cause I send her a lot of MTAs. Lots of them.
I've got that one added to the rec here.
Sure,
Thank-
great. Cause actually I put that in my the jail list for today. Check to see if this included with that charge. I had put that in there and she said it was her, so.
Pardon me, Judge, we're gonna need to do Ms. Hall for administrative reasons through the door.
Okay,
She is moments away. Okay, I'm off the microphone. Here we go. Ms. Hall,
sure.
this is KCK Municipal Court. This is Judge Whitman. You should be able to hear her and see her. Go ahead, Judge.
Ms. Hall, I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. It looks like you have some traffic tickets you received July 23rd of 2023. No insurance, driving while suspended, and no registration. And a more recent ticket for trespassing, March 23rd of 2026. These charges, you have an absolute right to a trial if you wish. But I would also like for you to visit with the prosecutor concerning a plea offer. And then you can decide between the plea and setting it for trial, which you would prefer. So I'm going to put you in a breakout room so you can talk to the prosecutor in private.
I understand, Judge.
Thank you.
Just a second, ma'am.
Mr. Rankin?
Judge, I think we do have a resolution.
All right.
I think Ms. Hall is willing to plead guilty to the no insurance charge. The city would recommend a fine of $323.50, and we would dismiss the remaining 3 charges.
All right. Ms. Hall, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by entering this plea, you're giving up the right to the trials that I talked about?
Right.
And is that how you want to proceed with the plea and give up the right to a trial? I couldn't, yeah, okay, I can hear you now. All right, so for the charge of no insurance, how do you plead guilty or not guilty?
You said for no insurance, guilty.
Just the no insurance ticket, yes.
Yes, ma'am, guilty.
All right, I'll accept your plea. The other charges will be dismissed.
Yes, ma'am.
I will assess the cost and fine as suggested, that $323.50. About how long will it take you to pay that?
I can have that paid by next week.
All right. All right. Well, what I'll do is I'll give you till July 24th, which is a
Yes, ma'am.
Friday, and
Yes,
that'll
ma'am.
give you plenty of time. All right.
So when do I get out? I get out today?
Yes, I don't think you have any other holds. I will send over paperwork to give you an OR bond with that new court date of July 24th at 1 o'clock for payment.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And did you have any other questions?
No.
All right. All right. Well, that'll conclude the hearing. Have a good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Good luck to you. Sorry, Judge, I'm doing too many things at once. I'm gonna go find our last person, Miss Scott. I think I know where she is. I'll be back.
Yeah, sure.
No.
And pardon me, Judge, Miss Scott is here.
All right. Thank you. Hello, Ms. Scott. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some traffic matters that have been unresolved. It stems from two different traffic stops. The first traffic stop happened August 5th of 2024, you received tickets for driving while suspended and no insurance. And then you had a traffic stop April 29th of 2025, where you received tickets for signal issue, driving while suspended, child passenger safety, no registration, no insurance, and then that failure to appear summons not appearing August 5th. All right. You have an absolute right to a trial in these matters. If you want it set for trial, we can do that. What I'd like for you to do, though, is visit with the prosecutor to see what kind of plea offer he's willing to give you. And then you can make a decision whether you want to take the plea or you want to set it for trial. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in what's called a breakout room, you'll be able to talk to the prosecutor in private about this.
Understood. So as the judge said, you're gonna We'll start the conversation. It'll be.
Mr. Rankin?
Judge, I think we do have a
Rankin.
resolution.
Okay.
I believe Ms. Scott is willing to plead guilty to the no insurance charge and then the failure to appear charge. And the city would move to dismiss all the remaining charges, the other 6 charges. We recommend a fine of $373.50 and no jail time. And I think Ms. Scott will want some time to pay.
All right. Ms. Scott, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, I did. I actually asked him if he can break it down to me so I can explain, so I can understand a little bit more too, because I do got, like problems, dyslexia and stuff like that. So he did explain to me. I asked him.
Okay. By entering these pleas to the 2 charges, you're giving up your right to a trial. Is that how you want to proceed?
I'm giving it up to a trial, like taking it to trial.
Right. You have those 2 options.
Is that
You
what?
can take this plea that was just offered to you, or you can set these for trial and the city has to present witnesses to prove that you did these things.
No, I was gonna go through the first thing with Keith.
Okay. Sure.
Admit to it.
All right. So to those 2 charges, no insurance and failure to appear, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. I will accept your pleas. All the other charges will be dismissed. You will only have that one, the fine of $300 plus the $23.50 in state fee for a total of $323.50. Now,
yes, ma'am.
you will, OR you out of jail. I don't think you have any other holds, do you?
No, I don't. And I do want to ask you a question. I'm sorry. I do have
Sure.
that I get paid. I just haven't cashed my check from Majax, and I want to pay that today if I can after I get out of jail, so I won't have to deal with it, nothing else.
Yes. Well, I will do this. We will send over paperwork to let you out. I don't know when that will be.
Yes, ma'am.
But we are right across the street on the 2nd floor of City Hall. But what I'm going to do is I'll give you a payment date by Friday. So that if you get out late and the City Hall is closed, you got a couple days to come and get it paid. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, I just want to pay it off because that's something important that I need to do while I got my check and I haven't used it or cashed it yet. Something that I need to take care of. It's been a minute, 2025. I have kids. I want to have my license together. I want to get stuff together, and I don't want to keep going to the same predicament over and over again.
I get it.
So I do understand, and I do get it, and I do apologize for doing things wrong that I don't have no business doing.
Well, I'm going to continue this now to July 10th at 1 o'clock for payment. All right. And you will, we'll get the paperwork over there to get you out. All right. She kind of froze.
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. All right. Do you have any other questions?
Yes, I have one more question.
Sure.
Sorry.
You're kind of breaking up. Could you tell the jailer
today
you're
or
breaking? You will be getting out today and then you are to pay by Friday.
The video is locking up.
Yeah, you will get out today, and the payment will be Friday. Yep. Goodbye. Gone. Hang on, see if they come back real quick here.
Yep, we're back. Sorry about
Yeah.
that, Judge. She is still here. Do you want to finish with her?
Yeah, I just wanted her to know she is getting out today, but she'll pay by the Friday. Lordy.
Are we done, Judge?
Well, hang on, see if he's gonna
Okay.
try to come
Okay.
back. I don't
Sure.
know.
I think he left.
Well, I think he got
Uh-huh.
booted.
Okay.
One more minute and then we're calling it a day. I think that's it. Have a
Okay,
good-
Judge.
You back.
Yeah,
Okay.
have a good one.
You too. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.